Today we are making delicious and healthy oats vegetable cutlet recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, half a cup mixed vegetables carrots, peas, corn, bell peppers, half a cup mashed potatoes, a 1/4 cup grated paneer or cottage cheese, a 1/4 cup chopped onions, a 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, 1 minced garlic clove, 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Bowl: mix oats, vegetables, potatoes, paneer, onions, cilantro, garlic, cumin seeds, garam masala, chili powder, and salt. Divide mixture into 6 to 8 portions. Shape into round-shaped kabab. Heat olive oil in a non-stick pan. Shallow fry cutlets until golden brown. 4 to 5 minutes per side. Nutritional information. Per serving. Calories 220. Protein 10 g. Fat 8 g. Carbohydrates 30 g. Fiber 4 g. Tips and variations. Add other vegetables like zucchini, beetroot, or broccoli. Use breadcrumbs or cornflakes for extra crunch. Replace paneer with tofu. Serve with a side of salad or raita. Health benefits. High fiber oats aid digestion. Vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals. Protein-rich paneer lowers cholesterol. Soluble fiber helps reduce bad cholesterol. Controls blood sugar, slowly digests, preventing sudden spikes. Rich in antioxidants, protects against heart disease and cancer. Gluten-free options suitable for those with gluten intolerance. Types of oats. Rolled oats, easy to cook, versatile in recipes. Steel-cut oats, less processed, chewier texture. Instant oats, quick cooking, convenient. Oat groats, whole grain, nutty flavor. Culinary uses. Oatmeal hot breakfast bowl. Baking oat bread, cookies, muffins. Savory dishes, oat cutlet coatings, stuffings. Smoothies, adds texture.